Good morning, all of you. I welcome you all to Saint Kabir Public School, OCC. In today's class, we will learn more about nouns. And today we will do singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns are the nouns that name a single person, place, or thing. As you can see in the pictures, there is a boy, a cup, a house. A stands for one and an also stands for one. Singular by its name, you can know singular means single. So singular nouns are the nouns that name a person, a place or thing. Plural nouns. Nouns that name more than one person, place and thing. They are called plural nouns. As you can see in the picture, there are 2 balloons, 4 apples. So, plural nouns, they stands for more than one thing. Now, we will know about rules how we can make plurals. So, the first rule says when we add s at the end of some singular nouns, they become plural. See, bird, birds, book, books, cat, cats, dog, dogs, and pen, pens. So, when we add s at the end of some singular nouns, they become plural. And second rule, what does it says? It says the words ending with x, sh, ch, double s and o. We add es for making plural. Box. There is x. And if we will add es, it becomes boxes. Brush. sh. We will add es. Brushes. Watch. Watches. Glass. Double s is there. So we will add es. Glasses. Tomato. O. We will add es. Tomatoes. So the words end with x, sh, ch, double s and o. If we want to make them plural, we will add es. Next, we have third rule. Third rule says when nouns end with y, we will add ies to make them plural. And when we will make it plural, we will remove y, like bunny. At the end of this word, y is there, and when we will make this plural, we will remove y, and instead of y, we will add ies. It becomes bunnies. Pony. Again, we will remove y and add ies. Then it becomes ponies. Some of the few words are butterfly, fly. So, dear students, nouns ending with y, we will add ies to make them plural. Rule number 4. A few nouns become plural by changing the vowel. Just look at these pictures, and the first picture, child. So I is a vowel. If we will make it plural, it becomes children. Man. And if we will make it plural, it will be men. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet, woman, women, mouse, mice. So in each of these words there is a vowel, and if we will make them plural, we will change the vowel of these words. Last, the fifth rule. It says some singular nouns ending with F or FE can be changed into plural by removing F or FE and adding VES. As you can see in the picture, CALF, calf, we will remove this F and add VES. Then it will be calves. Half, halves, and LIFE, life. As I told you, if FE or F is there, that we will remove, and instead of this we will add VES. So life, it becomes lives. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Elf, elves. Knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. Thief, thieves. Leaf, leaves. So the words, those are ending with F or FE, we will change them by adding VES, and by adding VES we can make them plural. Dear students, what we learned from today's class? We learnt singular and plural. Singular means only one and plural means more than one. And we can make many words plurals by adding S, by adding ES, by adding IES, and by changing its vowel, and by adding VES. So in today's class we learned 5 rules of singular to plural. So dear students, it was our English class. I hope you have learned this and you will enjoy this, and promise me that you will do practice for the same and solve the given exercises in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you dear students. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.